shriek history, vibrant culture, breathtaking landscapes, and a Pakistan a resilient people. Situated in South Asia, it shares borders with India, China, Afghanistan, and Iran, with a population of over 240 million. It is the fifth most populous country in the world. Pakistan's unique blend of ancient heritage and modern development makes it a fascinating subject for exploration. The Histof Rai Okistan Pakistan came Maurya, Gupta, Mughal, and British empires. The diverse culture into existence. On August 14, 1947, following the partition of British India, it was founded as a homeland for Muslims under the leadership of Muhammad Ali Jinnah, also known as Quaid-e-Azam. The country's history is deeply rooted in the Indus Valley Civilization, one of the world's oldest, which dates back to 2500 BCE. Over centuries, Pakistan has been influenced by various empires, including three of Pakistan. Pakistan is a melting pot of cultures, traditions, and languages. The country has four major provinces: Punjab, Sindh, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and Balochistan, each with its distinct traditions and customs. Urdu is the national language, while regional languages like Punjabi, Sindhi, Pashto, and Balochi add to the nation's linguistic diversity. Pakistani cuisine is another highlight of its culture, famous for its rich flavors and variety. Dishes like biryani, nihari, kebabs, and halim are enjoyed not only in Pakistan, but also worldwide. The country also celebrates a range of festivals, including Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Adha, Basant, and Shandur Polo Festival, showcasing its diverse traditions. Natural beauty and tourism. Pakistan is home to some of the most stunning landscapes in the world. From the mighty Himalayas in the north to the coastal beauty of the Arabian Sea in the south, the country offers a diverse range of natural attractions. Northern areas. The northern regions of Pakistan, including Gilgit-Baltistan, Swat Valley, and Hunza, are famous for their scenic beauty. These areas are home to some of the world's highest peaks, including K2, the second highest mountain in the world. Lakes and valleys. Pakistan is blessed with numerous breathtaking lakes, such as Saif-ul-Muluk, Atabad Lake, and Shangri-La Lake. Valleys like Naran, Kagan, and Skardu attract thousands of tourists every year. Historical sites. Pakistan is rich in historical landmarks, including Mohenjo-Daro, Harappa, Badshahi Mosque, Lahore Fort, and Rohtas Fort. These sites tell the story of the country's rich past. The economy and development. Pakistan is an emerging economy with a focus on agriculture, industry, and technology. The country is one of the leading producers of textiles, rice, and sports goods. Cities like Karachi, Lahore, and Islamabad are rapidly developing into modern economic hubs. The China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, CPSE, is a major initiative that is bringing infrastructure and development projects to the country. With growing industries and a youthful workforce, Pakistan has immense potential for economic growth. Sports and entertainment. Cricket is the most popular sport in Pakistan, with the national team enjoying international success. Hockey, the national sport, has also brought the country several championships. Other sports like football, squash, and kabaddi are also widely played. The entertainment industry in Pakistan, particularly dramas and music, has gained worldwide recognition. Pakistani dramas are known for their strong storytelling and cultural representation, while the music industry has produced legendary artists like Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan and Atif Aslam. Conclusion: Pakistan is a land of opportunities, heritage, and breathtaking beauty. It is a country where tradition meets modernity, where history lives alongside progress. Whether you explore its stunning landscapes, dive into its rich culture, or experience its warm hospitality, Pakistan has something for everyone. Through this video, we hope to showcase the incredible essence of Pakistan to the world.